Hi everyone, welcome to the first lesson of our course Improve Your English, Your Questions and My Answers. So this is a fact series for English learning. Now this course is presented by me, Harshita Jain, and this is something about me. I'm pursuing my graduation from Delhi University and I'm a CSE aspirant. If you like my courses, please follow me on Unacademy. This is my profile link, and for any queries, write in the comment section or at Unacademy Digest. And if you like my courses, please rate and review the course so that I can know what you feel about the course, if you like it or if you don't like it. Now, today might not be 30th July, so this, from that day we are continuing simply. So you can comment your queries, and this is how we are going to start it. So today is 1st August 2017, and so you can comment your queries below the lesson and in the comment section, and you can let me know whatever questions you have. So again, I'll repeat the same thing. Query could belong to any section of English. It could be from the grammar section, from the writing section, reading, spoken, or wherever you find it for vocabulary. So, right. So basically you understand, right? So it could be from any section, and I'll let you know. So the first thing that I'll be definitely taking how to start learning English. So don't worry about that. So if you have that question, do write it. It's fine. And if you feel that somebody else has asked the same question as you can upvote this comment, right? So I'll be, preferring the most upvoted comment, and you can ask me anything. And if you're writing some exam and you feel the general questions writing or whatever, so I'll also let you know that. And also I would like to mention, I've been versed with the syllabus of English literature for UPSC optional. So if you have some questions regarding the syllabus of that, you can ask me that as well, right? So I'm being specific about it because many people have been asking me this. So yeah, I have been versed with English literature optional, so you can ask me if you have any questions regarding its syllabus or something, right? And then please stay tuned, please keep commenting, please let me know your queries. This is the course I have been requested a lot of times, so please be active as much as possible so that we can get your queries solved. And don't be worried at all if it is a basic query or something. There's a day you have to start, right? So we'll start with it. So the moment we have and it'll be a regular course, right? So it will be regularly updated with your questions. I'll be regularly updating the queries and the lessons, so you can let me know your queries on daily basis and lesson wise, right? Now, how your questions will be answered, let's be clear about it. I'll explain in detail with the explanations. So I might be taking one query a day, not one, but at least two definitely. But then, it'll be, if it is descriptive, right? If it is a short query and it is an important one, I'll definitely answer, and I'll try answering all those comments. But yeah, if it'll be repetition, I'll be considering the most relevant one. And then based on specific topics, you can comment it again if you feel that it is not answered properly. If you feel there's something missing, I'll keep a note of it. Then based on specific topics sometimes, so I'll be keeping it to specific topics sometimes, right? If you feel comfortable with that, you can let me know in the comment section this as well, that we should keep it topic wise or we should keep it not topic wise, right? Now, learning English from Hindi is also involved, but not from any other language, because I am versed with Hindi only. Then summary and key points, and then I'll give you some summary and the key points, and then that you should remember. So it'll be like on daily basis, right? So whenever I'll be updating a lesson, I'll give you a key thing that you should do that to improve your English learning. That's a bonus point like of thing. And then questions related to exams as well. You can also ask me questions related to a specific exam. I'll try answering them to the best extent, right? Now, if you have any questions, you can write to me in the comment section or at Unacademy Digest again. And please write the queries now, guys, and shoot out your questions. Bye-bye.